Alright, today we're going to talk about saving seeds from Anise hyssop, Hysopp. So as you can see, this is a gorgeous plant. I started from seed last year. It has a wonderful anise aroma to it. Oh, it smells great. It smells like licorice. And you can use the leaves and the flower heads to dry and make tea. Now, to save seeds from this, even though it's perennial and comes back every year, you literally just take a flower head, run your hand along it, and little black seeds come out. See, they're little black balls. So, you could... See, there's one right there. There's tons of them. See, it's the little black dots. It's not the purple flowers, it's the little black dots. And basically, what I just did there is probably going to make them spread all over this whole area, which I'm great with because I love this plant. It's one of my favorites. And it's perennial and comes back every year, and it has a lot of medicinal properties. But, yeah, Anise hyssop, and that's how you save the seeds. You're going to take the seeds, you're going to put them on a paper plate. If I really wanted to save the seeds, I would cut these seed heads off and tap it onto a paper plate and let them sit out for a week or two until I was sure they were good and dry, and then put them in a paper envelope and label them, and they'll be good for several years. So, versus, there's some summer squash growing right there. Summer squash, you don't save the seeds from those squash until the plant is old. Meaning way past the point where we would eat summer squash. So, when I get one like that, I'll do a video on it and show you how to save the seeds from summer squash. That's a yellow crookneck. So, this is Brenda from the Pop-Up Homestead, and this video is how to save seeds from Anise hyssop. And this is going to go for all the mints, basically, in the mint family. Super easy, perennial, comes back every year. Very weed-like, but one of my favorites. Take care, my seedy friends.